Hello, the Chef George from the Event by George Company Catering. Today I will cook paella, but it's very special for me because two of my sons graduate from the class 2023, one chemical engineer and one accounting. For this reason, how the family is the most important for me in my life will be super special paella. I will make with my heart. Ingredients for today, we have ham, chorizo, pork, fresh pork, saffron, Goya, culantro y achiote. We have peppers, green, red and green, in jardiniere, onions in jardiniere, 3 spoons of minced garlic, olives, green olives, peas, green peas, base with the chicken base. In this case, we have Bomba rice, pepper, salt, complete seasoning, and extra virgin olive oil. For start, we put in the paella extra virgin olive oil. We put the pork first of all. We put a little salt in the pork because we need that start to take the flavor, and black pepper, fresh black pepper. We mix now. And we're waiting until it's browning. The meat is brown. We add the ham too for the preparation for the paella, and we mix. We add the peppers in jardiniere. And we saute for at least 3 minutes. We add the onions in jardiniere. We add garlic, minced garlic. We add chorizo. We add the chicken base to the preparation. Saffron, pistil of saffron. We add culantro y achiote color for the paella. We add green olives. We add green peas. We add the rice, Bomba rice. It's a special rice for paella. all ingredients inside to the paella, everything is ready. Now we need that the rice cooking and finally serving for the people. We're testing the flavor. It's perfect. We cook the low fire until the rice is ready and the water is out of. The paella is ready. Now we decorate with peppers, roasted peppers. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe. Step by step, it's finished. This one, remember that this is the paella for my son's graduations, Carlos Jorge and Hansel. I hope that you continue to follow me in my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, please, share the videos, and comments is very important. Thank you very much.